How to post on story Instagram from laptop. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can post Instagram stories from your laptop, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you don't have a mobile phone, you are using Instagram from your browser, which is instagram.com, but then there are very limited features. There is no option to add a story and so forth, but you can actually upload stories even from the Instagram browser version. So in order to do this, first of all, go to instagram.com and make sure you log into your account. Currently you can see I only have the option to create a post. There is no option to create a story. So what we're going to do is find an empty space on the Instagram homepage, right click on it and just select the option known as inspect, which could be available depending upon the browsers that you're using. Once you select the inspect option, on the top right hand side you can see elements. Right beside elements you'll find a little circular rectangular icon here, so you want to make sure to click on that icon. As you do that and click on this icon over here, on the left hand side you'll find this option right here known as dimensions. Now by default this could have been set to responsive, so you can set this to any device that you prefer. In my case I'm selecting iPhone 12 Pro. Now right when you select that, also you won't find the option because there is one more thing that we need to do, and that is to simply refresh our browser. So hit the refresh option depending upon the browser you're using, and now you can see it is just like on mobile interface. You will be able to see all the features and you can hit the your story option now, and you can select a certain photo you'd like to add, and now you can go ahead and also add some text if you'd like. Once done, you can just hit the add to your story option. So that was it for today's video on how you can post Instagram stories from your laptop. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.